What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Quant here, and as we can see, this is a chart that is looking very textbook, technically trading very nicely. As we can see here on our daily time frame, we talked about this channel for a long time, didn't we? Where basically we were trading upwards in a channel, we come up, we try and break out, we finally do break out, we come all the way up to $440 all-time high, absolutely crazy all-time high, with a lot of, you know, fundamental, pumpamental news on the cards, and then obviously started to sell off, being as parabolic as this chart was. Sooner or later we were going to get a decent bit of a sell-off. You can see here we were kind of forming some kind of pennant formation, but we did fall out the bottom of it here. As you can see, we tried to retest this level here at around, what was it, $250. We get a huge pump to the upside to around $350 to the top of this range here, but then obviously with Bitcoin pulling the market over on the 10th and the 9th, it pulled us back down to the bottom of the range, and we did fall through the bottom of the floor of the support here at that $250 level. We come all the way down to around $211 here. We get the bounce on that previous swing high, and look at this, the bottom of the previous channel that we outlined here. This channel that we've basically lost the support of for a while because we never came back to retest it. We didn't lose support, but we definitely haven't seen it in a while, have we? And look at, lo and behold, we come all the way down and we find support perfectly on the bottom of this channel here, and then we get a huge bounce to the upside back up with a daily candle all the way back up to around $270 there, currently trading at around $247. So obviously trying to make a little bit of a break back to the upside after being in a very decent downtrend here that we've seen for a lot of cryptos. You can see Quant is no exception. We've been in a bit of a downtrend for a while here, with Bitcoin looking very bearish. For some reason, it's obviously rolling over and rolling over. There's a lot of bullish divergences for Bitcoin and a lot of other cryptos though, so it does seem likely, as we said in previous videos and other videos, that we are going to see a nice move to the upside pretty soon. But you can see here quite clearly, price action coming down, RSI coming up on this in this instance here. A very clear bullish divergence here. We get a little bit of a pickup to the upside. We continue selling off and rolling over, obviously with the market in general just dragging Quant to the downside. We get another massive bullish divergence here, and then it seems as though a lot of shorts may have got liquidated here because this is a very parabolic move here. We have Quant coming all the way up to $267 here. A sell-off back to support on our hourly time frame here, and now it looks as though we are getting that pickup back towards the top of this channel that we are trading downwards in. You can see here quite clearly that we do have some resistance and support that is being clearly respected right now. But overall, you can see we're currently stuck under resistance, trying to break out. And obviously, if we did break out of this and back test, we would be looking at most likely the downtrend being over and getting a pickup back to back towards well above this $250 level, back up towards that $300 level we're looking for. So we'd say overall, Quant obviously it's been fairly bearish for the past few weeks, probably for the past month or so really, with it chopping sideways and then rolling over with the market dragging it down. But overall, coming down, retesting support's not a bad thing. And as you can see, this is a very parabolic chart, so to come back down and finally get a back test of this previous swing high here is very good to see, because you can see here quite clearly we've come across, back tested this previous area here that we never back tested before, which we did talk about quite a lot. And now that we finally have back tested it, along with touching the bottom of that previous channel that was respected, we could be looking at a nice move to the upside for Quant pretty soon if that's the case. So overall, feeling pretty good about Quant. It's finally back tested previous levels, and it could be looking at a nice bounce pretty soon. So short-term price predictions then, if we roll over from here, we're obviously coming back down towards, you know, this $210-ish level. We could come back down and retest some of these levels here, maybe the swing low at 225, or if we could come all the way back down to the bottom of the channel at around $215. But we would be expecting a very big bounce to the upside if this was the case. And obviously, If we do see Quant breaking out of this resistance here and moving to the upside, we'd probably expect it a move up to around $270-ish again, a back test of this previous resistance as support, and then obviously continuation back up towards $300 and beyond, basically getting back up towards those levels that everyone's looking for. And as we said previously, we really do think Quant is a top quality project. Obviously, if we do a fib pull from this low to the previous all-time high, you can see quite clearly we do have some very nice price targets for Quant. There's a big 227 extension here on the next impulsive move that takes us to around $1,070-ish. And we do think Quant over $1,000 is quite likely, considering it's a really, really top quality project. Potentially could be worth a lot in the future. And we really do think that this project's going to continue to do well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.